हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे ऐसे ऑन यूजेस ऑफ एटॉमिक एनर्जी। तो दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ अब जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। एटॉमिक एनर्जी इज अ मिक्स्ड ब्लेसिंग। इट हैज़ बोथ प्रोडक्टिव एंड डिस्ट्रक्टिव यूजेस. Its origin was not meant for destructive purposes. However, it has been used in this respect. With its positive use, we can make the world a happier place, whereas with its negative use, we can wipe out the human race. But irrespective of its good and bad uses, it is certain that it has a great effect on our lives. Atomic energy can produce electricity. In the developed countries of the world, it has been successfully done. A great number of atomic power stations can be found all over the world. The number will increase more and more. Its productive use has made it an inevitable part of man's life. Atomic energy has also been very effectively applied in the field of agricultural. It is used in fertilizer radiation. By this method, insects are killed and seeds and plants prosper. As a result, the crop increases. More advancement will certainly lead to laboratories. The contribution of atomic energy in the field of medical sciences is really praiseworthy. It has led the foundation of a new and effective method of treatment of diseases. Atomic energy is a cheap source of fuel. Therefore, with the increasing demand, it is quite useful. The treat of the end of other natural reservoirs can also be effectively tackled with. Destructive uses of atomic powers. It is true that the superpowers of the world possess great strength of nuclear weapons. War are never desirable. With the advent of nuclear weapons, it is true that the destruction will not be limited. It will envelop the whole world in the coffin. The race of atomic war weapons is not unknown. The superpowers of the world are superpowers because of this ability only. Any use or misuse of atomic bombs will be end of everything. The terrible death and destruction scene of Hiroshima and Nagasaki are still a scar on the face of humanity. Mankind cannot forget this fateful event. Now survival and the question of peaceful and constructive use of atomic energy is of international import. Humanity has its fate in its own hands. The next world war, if it ever took place, it will be nuclear war. It will not be the one with limited consequences. It will wipe out the last trace of man from this planet. Conclusion: in the end, we can say that atomic energy is a great liberator as well as a giant destroyer. If the proper use of atomic energy is not made, then its dreadful consequences will cause the end of humanity. We are living under the shadow of nuclear weapons. Any misuse will endanger the very existence of humanity. In short, the future of atomic energy is full of hope and danger. तो दोस्तों ये था ऐसे। दोस्तों अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। थैंक यू।